Yo, Green, you wanna push that bounty? Oh, fuck! Green, you wanna push that bounty?
You want, but I'm trying to find ammo and plates.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Shit, now
actually.
there's 2 guys.
There's someone in here.
Yep,
Nice.
that's what I'm going
Got him.
for.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad.
Bitch. Bitch, yup. Motherfucker ran up on us. We gotta get out of here. Cause we're saying ducks on that way now and everything.
Just heard, I'm doing bullets fly.
Come on, come on. In the water. In the water. Can't risk that shit. No, what's the team? What are you guys doing?
I don't know where everybody's at. I don't know where yellow is. I don't even see him on the map.
I don't see him either.
He's by, oh, they're on the train.
Alright, I guess